Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix storage almost full error on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone that you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your camera app, you might see the error which is storage almost full. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just open your settings app, go to general and go to software update and just try to update your software. Once you updated the software, just simply go back, go to iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone. So I recommend you have to try to free up 10 to 20 GB free in your iPhone storage to use your iPhone as well. Or if you don't have enough storage, you can try to offload or delete some apps. You can also try to delete your photos, your files. So the very first you have to try to delete any app. So let's say I'm gonna select any unwanted app here which you don't use or now you want to delete. So let's say I'm gonna delete this one here. Just I'm gonna delete the app. You can also try to offload your app if you want to keep your app data, but your app will be uninstalled. So you can also try to offload that. But I'm gonna delete my app here. So once you have completely deleted the app, it will help you to get more storage on your iPhone. So after that, you can go to your Photos app and just try to delete some photos, or you can also try to get a backup of your photos and then delete them. Or you can also go to your Files app here and just tap on this browse option, then tap on my iPhone, and here just delete unnecessary files or unnecessary folders on your iPhone. So it will help you to get more storage on your iPhone. Or you can have one more thing. You can go to your settings, and in settings, just tap on Apple ID and then tap on iCloud. And here you have to get more storage in your iCloud. If you don't have enough storage here, just get more storage. And after that, just back up your photos, your videos, and your files. Once I backed up, you can delete them from your iPhone, so it will help you to get more storage. Or you can also try to clear your web cache. Just go back and go to your apps section. In apps, just look for your browser. In my case, I'm using Safari, so I'm gonna select Safari browser here. Just select Safari. Just scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Just select this option, then select all history, then tap on clear history. So it will clear history and website data because sometimes it might be that you have a huge website data which might take more space on your iPhone. So in this way, you can get more storage and you can fix your storage and more fix alert. Or after doing that, you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches or to get a fresh start. And how to do this, just quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once the phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to use your phone without an issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.